Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a get ready with me on this look that I have on right now. It's usually what I do just to get out of my house. It's super natural, literally super natural. But I did do a voice over my video just because my braces that I got on very recently, it's been very uncomfortable for me to talk and I feel like I move my mouth super weird because I'm not used to them. So I did do a voiceover, but I hope you still enjoy the video, and I will link everything down below that I did use on my video. If you have any questions, just let me know. But yes, like my video and subscribe please, and thank you very much. Stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so the first thing I use for my face is the Replenishing Face Primer from Too Faced. I do use this before anything else just because I feel like it is a little bit more moisturizing than any other product that I would use. So I do apply this before I apply my actual primer. Next for my eyebrows, I'll be using the eyebrow pencil from Rodial. It is in dark ash brown and it is a super cool pencil. It has the little brush on one side and the actual pencil on the other side. It comes in clutch. Alright guys, so to highlight my eyebrows, I go in with the Maybelline number 20. It is called Sand, and I actually do use this as my concealer as well. Works very good for me. I think it is pretty full coverage, and the best thing of all, it is super duper cheap. Alright, so now to blend my concealer, I will be using a little sponge and I'll just dab it all around my eyebrows until it is blended into my skin. Afterwards, I do go in with a medium-sized brush just to make sure that everything is super blended in and looks mighty fine. Alright guys, so now I do go in with my second primer, and this primer is from POREfessional from Benefits. It is super awesome as well, but I did put the one before just because, like I said, I felt like it moisturized my face a little better, but this does smell amazing and it is super good for me. Now for foundation, my favorite part. This is the foundation from Decay. It is called the All Nighter in shade 7.0, and this foundation works amazing on my skin. I love it. It is full coverage for me and it lasts me all day. Also guys, I didn't mention, but this foundation is waterproof, it is oil free, and it is a matte finish. It is also an oxidizing foundation, which means it can turn a shade or two darker on your skin over the course of a day. So this foundation is very, very awesome. And can you not see that? Look how full coverage that is. I just love it. And guys, please make sure you do also put foundation on your neck so you don't look like a pumpkin with a super white neck. Alright, so now I'll be going back in with my Maybelline concealer. I will apply this under my eyes, on my nose, and on my forehead. Once again, I'll be blending in my concealer with another sponge. Alright guys, so now to contour my face, I'll be using the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, and this is in shade Medium. I will be applying this underneath my cheekbones on both sides, on my nose, and at the top of my forehead. And once again, I'll be going in with my sponge, just making sure that everything is blended out nice and evenly, and everything is looking super spiffy. So now to highlight under my eyes, I will be going in with the Banana Highlighting Powder, and this is from OFRA Cosmetics. It is a sample. I received it from Ipsy, but I seriously love this powder. Now I will be taking my Anastasia contouring kit, and this is in light medium. I seriously love this thing. As you can tell, I have used it forever and it is a hot mess, but it is one of my favorite contouring kits. And as you can tell, I am just going over exactly where I cream contour, but I'm just trying to give it that little wow effect, you know? Now for blush, I will be using another sample that I also did receive from Ipsy, and I seriously love this blush. It is called Feisty from Tarte, and this is a very nice color. I just love it. For highlight, I will be using another sample by OFRA Cosmetics that I received by Ipsy, and this one is called Peach Blush. This is honestly one of my favorite of all times highlight. I just think it looks beautiful, especially under the sun. You just glow. Just for your information, your girl is not sponsored by Ipsy. You know, she just has a lot of products by Ipsy, so don't get it twisted, but I sure wish I was. So let Ipsy know that your girl is putting them on. Now for the lashes, I will be going in with They Are Real by Benefit Mascara, and this mascara is actually pretty good. It is also another one I got by Ipsy. I know, holy cow. But don't look at my eyelashes because I did have extensions in and I yanked them all out. So my lashes are super short, but it's okay, you know. Just gotta live our life and deal with short lashes for a little while. But this mascara is very pretty good. Alright guys, last but not least, I don't know why, but I have like this really big pet peeve where I have to clean my lips before I apply anything to them. So I will be applying the lip paint by Tarte, and this one is called Delish. It is another little sample, I know, but I do have the actual one. It was just in my purse and I didn't feel like running to the kitchen, so yeah, you guys will have to deal with my little samples. Alright my beautiful people, this is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So much love for you guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.